Hey everyone, this is Steve from OpenBOM, and I'd like to take you on a quick tour of some of the UI changes to OpenBOM in the May 2019 release. Let's start with the dashboard. A number of new selection features in the dashboard. The most important is the use of and selection of aligned. I'd like you just to watch the cursor. In the past, when we clicked on any line, we opened that BOM or that catalog. So we've changed that so that now we only open a particular BOM or catalog when you get the hand and you're right above the name or the part number. So I just left clicked on that and we can see that we opened this particular bill of material. So what that allows us to do now is much more easily do things like shift select and change our shift selection much easier. So if we get the pointer, we are selecting the line. If we get the hand, we are going to open that particular item. The next feature, which I really like, is we've activated the middle mouse button in just about every selection that opens something. So let's go back to this pneumatic cylinder. I'm going to middle mouse right there. You see I get a new tab with that BOM opened in there. A nice feature, which I really like, and you'll see that with other things as well throughout the UI. So go ahead and experiment with that middle mouse a little bit. You'll also find that if I middle mouse on the dashboard return button here, I'll get a new tab as well. That's sort of nice. I like to organize my tabs on my dashboard, the tabs on the left and my BOMs and catalogs and stuff working their way down. So take a look at that. There's another setting that I'd like to introduce you to, and that is the setting for this line pitch here. This is currently in a normal state, and it has the normal spacing. Now I'm going to go ahead and I've created a view that I've turned off the images, and I've done that so that we can see what the leading or the spacing is between these lines. This is how OpenBOM has worked up to this point. I'd like to draw your attention to the profile area where there's a couple of new settings, but one in particular is this display style. Let's switch to compact. Really nice. I like this display, especially if I don't have images displayed. I see a lot more information on the screen. So you can go ahead and experiment with compact or normal. Again, I like compact. So finally, I'd like to show what happens when we open a multi-level bill of material. I'm going to go ahead and open this guy here, and we're going to switch this to multi-level. What we've seen in the past in multi-level, I always had to have a particular view defined. Most often, especially for new users, it was default. So if I opened a new bill of material in multi-level, I got something that looked like this. It wasn't very helpful. If I wanted to see all the properties in the past, I had to switch back to single level. Now we've enabled view as off in multi-level. You can see all the properties that are defined in this entire BOM in multi-level. And if there's certain levels that don't have particular properties defined, we grade those out. So go ahead and take a look at those. We've also made some other nice features. The dash panel here does not scroll to the top automatically. It stays where you put it. And there's some other nice things I think you'll discover in the UI. So give the middle mouse and the compact settings a try. And we love your feedback and support at OpenBOM.